Welcome to 1505 N Briar Rd in Muncie, Indiana. This is the kind of quiet, tree-lined street where peaceful evenings just come naturally. Mornings come in through that window and just sit there. A brand new kitchen, ready for everything from quiet Sunday coffee to weekend dinner parties. When Indiana winters roll in, this cozy hearth is exactly where you'll want to be. Coats, boots, gear, this dedicated drop zone catches all of it before it ever reaches the main living space. Fenced, shaded, and featuring a swing, the outdoor retreat is already done for you. Come tour it in person at our open house this Saturday, August 1st from 1 to 3 p.m. Want more information about this house? Call the Orr Home Selling Team today at 765-212-1111.